Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Olivia Rodrigo theme on Facebook Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. And you need to update your Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open and select any conversation. So once you select it, click on this icon on the top right, and here you need to click on theme and scroll down, and in the bottom you can see in color and gradients the first one with butterfly. Click on that, and then you simply need to click on select. So now you can see that this theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.